You know that one feeling you get that you just can't explain? You're not sad, but you cry. You're not tired, but you can't move. You're not bored, but you're disinterested. You're not angry, but you want to be left alone. 1 minute, you feel fine. You feel everything. And the next, it's gone. It seems so easy to shut it all off. As easy as flicking a light switch. But once it's off, you're in the dark, unable to find it again. And while you're in this state of emptiness, you look at the closest people in your life. See strangers.
Who are all these
talk
people?
too much?
Why are they here?
Am I annoying?
Why am I not comfortable in my
Am I
skin?
awkward?
Do they want me
Am I
here?
messing everything
Do I
up
look
good?
Not
Did I
interesting.
talk too little?
What did I
Am
say?
I annoying? You convince yourself that they've been pretending all this time because they pity you. They tolerate your presence enough to put up with it. But if you suddenly fell off the face of the earth, you know they'd be relieved. Secretly, that's all you really want. To disappear. To no longer exist. You don't want to die. You just want everything to stop. There's so much going on inside your head that you can't put into words. You desperately want to tell someone, but you don't even know what's wrong. So why bother, right? It's easier to flip the switch and feel nothing. Say nothing. Pretend like nothing's wrong. So instead, you say you're just tired. You don't want them to worry about you. You don't want them to think you're insane. When something's wrong, they say sleep is the best medicine. But I think what they really mean is sleeping is the best way to escape. To put everything on pause. Because when you sleep, you dream. The thing about dreaming, though, is that it can be unpredictable, hard to control. So is sleep really the best medicine? Or is it distraction? Distraction is something I'm good at. Sometimes it's all I ever want to do. Actually, I distract myself so much that I'm starting to think life is the real distraction. Because life shouldn't feel like